Hi students, this is your today's class section formula. It's from 24th question. So listen, if the points A, B, C, D from a parallelogram ABCD, find the values of P and Q. So listen now, this sum we have 4 points. Here I mentioned the figure, it's a parallelogram. So using this condition we need to find the value of P and Q. So listen, A, B, C, D or the parallelogram. So parallel in what's the condition for parallelogram? Opposite sides and opposite angles are equal. So listen, AC is the one side, BD is the one more side. So listen, here O is the midpoint of ABCD. So listen the condition. AC is the one point, BD is the one more line. Listen, first we need to find midpoint of AC. Next you need to find midpoint of BD. Then equate two midpoints, we will be getting the value of P and Q. So listen, first midpoint of AC. What is midpoint of AC? What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, listen, midpoint of AC, now you need to take the point A is x1, y1, C is x2, y2. So listen, A is x1, y1, C is x2, y2. So minus 2 plus P by 2, minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So here we can't simplify. So P minus 2 by 2, here 2 by 2, 1. Next you need to find the midpoint of BD. Again no need to write formula. So B is x1, y1, D is x2, y2. So 1 plus 1 by 2, 0 plus Q by 2. So 1, Q by 2. After this parallelogram, opposite lines are equal. So listen, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So what is the midpoint of AC value? P minus 2 by 2, 1 equal to midpoint of BD 1, Q by 2. Equate x-axis and equate y-axis. So listen, P minus 2 by 2 equal to 1. So 1 equal to Q by 2. So P minus 2 equal to 2, P equal to 4. Here Q is equal to automatically 2. You understand this, children? Okay. Come to the 27th question. Is that find the third vertex of the triangle. So in a triangle we have 3 vertices. We need to find the third vertex. Here they given 2 vertices and midpoint of one side is 0, 3. So in a triangle, listen A, B, C. This is the one of the triangle. Here we have A point is minus 1, 4. B point is 5, 2. C point we may not know because we need to find the third vertex. So C point is x, y. Here 1 is the midpoint. So here I will take the midpoint through A. So D is the midpoint. What is midpoint value? 0, 3. So listen, A, D, this is midpoint value. Using this we need to find the third vertices. Listen, we know D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint value of B and C. So midpoint of BC equal to 0, 3. What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 0, 3. So what is x1? Is a midpoint of BC. So B is x1, y1. C we may not know. So C you take it as x, y. So 5 plus x by 2, 2 plus y by 2 equal to 0, 3. Now we equate these two. 5 plus x by 2 equal to 0. 0 into 2, 0. So x equal to minus 5. 2 plus y by 2 equal to 3. So 2 plus y equal to 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So what is the third vertices? Minus 5, 4. Okay, next. This sum also based on this, but here we have a 3 categories. So listen, it's a very important model. 28th question model. It's a very important. So listen clearly. Find the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle. The middle points of the whose sides are. So listen, here the question is, we have one triangle. Here they given 3 midpoints of the triangle. So we need to find the points of A, B, C. So listen the figure clearly. This is A point, this is B point, this is C point. These are the triangle. Here this middle value D, E, F. Listen, this is D point, this is E point, this is F point. That means middle point value given. We need to find the given vertices. So A vertices I take it as x1, y1. B vertices I take it as x2, y2. C vertices I took x3, y3. Now we need to find all these values. So listen clearly how we find. Listen. We have in triangle we have three midpoints of first midpoint of AB. So listen, midpoint of AB are, so here D is the midpoint of AB. So listen, midpoint of AB equal to D point. What is D point? 0, 1 by 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 0, 1 by 2 equate x, y. So x plus x1 plus x2 equal to 0. That means x1 plus x2 divided by 2 equal to 0. So 0 into 2 automatically 0. That equation I will take it as 1. Next is same. Y1 plus y2 equal to 1 by 2. Denominator already we have 2. So 2 cancel 1. So y1 plus y2 equal to 2. This is second equation. Next midpoint of same. Next side midpoint of BC. Here E is the midpoint of. So midpoint of BC equal to E value. What is E value? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So next x2 plus x3 equal to 1 by 2 into 2 na 1 na. So x2 plus x3 equal to 1. That is equation number 3. Here y2 plus y3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Automatically these two come for multiplication. So y2 plus y3 equal to 1. That is equation number 4. Next third side midpoint of CA. Midpoint of CA na F point 1 by 2, 0. So x3 plus x1 by 2, y3 plus y1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, 0. Next x3 plus x1 divided by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. So x3 plus x1 equal to 1. That is equation number 5. Next y3 plus y1 divided by 2 equal to 0. 0 into 2, 0. So y3 plus y1 equal to 0. That is equation number 6. So listen ma. After this, the x variable fully in the equation number 1, 3, 5 odd condition. Y terms fully 2, 4, 6 even condition. So listen, first you need to add and subtract x term. Next add and subtract y term. You will be getting a 3 vertices. So listen, first add 1, 3, 5. What is 1, 3? Equation number 1 is x term. Equation number 3 is x term. Equation number 5 is x term. First you add this. So listen, what is equation number 1? x1 plus x2. What is equation number 3? x2 plus x3. What is equation number 5? x3 plus x1 equal to 0 plus 1 plus 1. Next is x1 plus x1 2x1. x2 plus x2 2x2. x3 plus x3 2x3 equal to 2. Next in this take 2 as common. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 2. So 2 cancel. x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 3. In the same of y term value. So add 2, 4 and 6. So y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y3 plus y1 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 0. Automatically take 2 as common. y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 2. 2 cancel. So y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 1. Listen ma, it's addition of x term. It's addition of y term. Now we need to find x1, x2, x3 value, y1, y2, y3 value. So listen, next subtract. Same. What we add in the x term? 1, 3, 5. In the sum term you need to subtract. 1, 3, 5. So listen the subtraction clearly. Listen ma. 1, 3, 5 directly you are not doing a 3 term. So take it to 2 terms. Listen. First I am going to take 1 and 3. What is the first equation? x1 plus x2 equal to 0. What is third equation? x2 plus x3 equal to 1. First you need to subtract these two. So listen, x1 plus x2 minus x2 minus x3 equal to 0 minus 1. Here x2 cancel off. Plus x2 minus x2 cancel. So x1 minus x3 equal to minus 1. Next, from this subtract fifth one. So x1 minus x3 minus x3 minus x1 equal to minus 1 minus 2. Minus x1 minus x1 cancel. So 2x3 equal to minus 2. So x3 equal to 1. Now you are going to apply this x3 in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? x2 plus x3 equal to 1 now. So x2 equal to 0. Next is substitute this x2 in the equation number 1. So x1 plus x2 equal to 0. So x1 equal to 0. Now we got x1, x2, x3 value. Listen. Next y1, y2. In the same procedure, first you can take it in the y-axis. This is the symbol of similarly. Similarly na இதே மாதிரி. So similarly, subtract the y term 2, 4, 6. First take it to 4 with the answer subtract 6. You will be getting y1, y2, y3. Final answer, we need to find the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle. What is triangle A? We took x1, y1 now. What is x1 value? 0. What is y1 value? 0. So 0, 0. What is B vertices x2, y2? What is x2? 0. What is y2? 1 now. So 0, 1. What is C? x3, y3. What is x3? 1. What is y3? 0. So 1, 0. So vertices of A, B, C are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. It's a very important series. Steps only you have a heavy, but it's the easiest model only. So you can go through once and twice. It's a very important model in your board exam point of view. I hope you all understand this. If you have any doubt, ask me. Do the homework without fight. Seriously, I am telling you, next week during the maths period, I am going to check all your classwork and homework through Zoom app. Thank you, students.